Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to solve this question. But before starting the solution, like the video, and if you're new on my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's begin to solve the question. The question is x plus x square plus x cube plus 1 over x plus 1 over x square plus 1 over x cube is equal to 28. What is the value of 2x minus 3 whole square, where x belongs to the set of real numbers? How can we solve this? We can rewrite this question as x plus 1 over x plus x square plus 1 over x square and x cube plus 1 over x cube is equal to 28. Next we can write this as x plus 1 over x plus x square plus 1 over x square plus 2. We will add 2 on this side also. And next we can write x cube plus 1 over x cube plus 3 into x plus 1 over x minus 3 into x plus 1 over x, and this will be equal to 30. Now this is equal to x plus 1 over x whole cube. This is equal to x plus 1 over x whole square, and this and this. This is equal to minus 2 into x plus 1 over x and equal to 30. Now let y is equal to x plus 1 over x, then we can write this equation as y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 30 equal to 0. If we factorize this, this will be equal to y minus 3 into y square plus 4y plus 10 is equal to 0. Now from here y is equal to 3 and the next factor have no real roots. So we will consider y equal to 3. So this means x plus 1 over x equal to 3, and we can write this as x square minus 3x is equal to minus 1. And if we multiply this both sides by 4, so 4x square minus 12x is equal to minus 4, and we can write this as 4x square minus 12x plus 3 square, so 9, and here we also add minus 4 plus 9. Now this will be equal to 2x minus 3 whole square and minus 4 plus 9 equal to 5. So the value of 2x minus 3 whole square is equal to 5, and this is the required answer. Like the video, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.